Welcome to SomeGuy's Garage. It's Tool Test Tuesday, and today we're going to take a look at the Mechanix brand Fast Fit gloves. So first we'll take a look at how they work. I mean, they are just gloves. They slip on the hands. There's no Velcro or latch or anything like that. These are a medium. They fit me really well, but pretty straightforward. So there's no real demonstration to be had with gloves. They're gloves. And so we're going to go straight to score. This will be a little bit shorter today. Starting off with value, these only get a 2 out of 10. They're not a great value in terms of gloves. They're around $20 per pair, and they don't last very long. And for a pair of gloves with this sort of build quality, I'm not that impressed. They do work, but they're not the greatest in that sense. Next up, quality, and this is where they're really going to fall down. They're only going to get a 1 out of 10. And the reason for that is I have another pair here, and what always ends up happening is you get holes in the fingers. So this pair I've probably used for less than a month, and already the fingers are gone on them. And this seems to happen with every single pair I get, no matter what I do. And really the quality, they don't hold up well. So they only do get a 1 out of 10 on that score. Next up is ergonomics. And so this is their strongest part, really. The gloves for me, and the reason I keep buying them is because they actually do fit well. They, nice fit on the fingers, good dexterity, and all of that sort of stuff. So for that reason, they're kind of a must-have in the garage, and I haven't found a better option for gloves at this point. If you do have any ideas of something else I should try in terms of gloves, let me know in the comments below. But as it stands, these are the best fitting and most comfortable gloves that I have found so far. So because of that, I'm going to give them a 6 out of 10 for ergonomics. They're pretty good. And like I said, one of the better ones I've found. So next up is performance, and they're going to get a 5 out of 10 for performance. They do protect your hands nicely. They work well. You do need to be mindful of anything too hot with them. They will start to melt, but when just doing things around the garage, handling things, or just protecting your knuckles from banging into something, they do work pretty well for that. And finally, with usefulness, you got to have a pair of gloves in the garage. It's kind of a no-brainer. You need something to protect your hands. And so they're going to get a 7 out of 10 for usefulness, just because gloves are a must-have. So if we add all that up, the overall score is 21 out of 50. Not a strong showing, and most of that's down to the high price and lackluster quality that you get out of these, and the lack of longevity. So those are the Mechanix Fast Fit gloves. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.